Hey there, riders. Welcome to another episode in which I ripped my primary chain off of my bike. So here we're at. We're going to end up removing this. I forget the name of it, but I'll post it up there. We're going to end up removing this. So I guess with us removing the primary chain, I could have just pulled this whole thing off and I could have pulled everything else out. Live and learn. So get our clip, our C-clip pliers, and bring them inwards. So I'm gonna ask you, which one's the old one and which one's the new one? Give up? This is the new one. This thing you can tell has been stretched. In fact, it's been stretched so much that you can, of a full length, it's been stretched. If I was to lay these out end to end, tear them apart, lay them out end to end, you would definitely tell how much of a difference that this is. There we go. Gasket on there. Gasket will stay in place because of the oversize. The dowel's there. Or should. As long as we don't nick it before we put it in, we should be good.